Hi, I'm Ben Varozza with Varozza 4x4 Outfitters. I've got Chris Collard here with me, and we're here at the 2023 Cal4Wheel convention in Visalia, California. We've got the 2021 Gladiator here with us that got raffled off last night. Chris has done all the media for us on this bright green rig here. We took it out, did a build on it, and showed it off. Sold a lot of raffle tickets.
That was fun though, because we shot this up at the entrance to the Rubicon. But through the course of the year, I've been watching Ben do a ton of work on this thing. I mean, you've worked with a whole bunch of partners, manufacturers.
Yeah, a lot of good manufacturers that supported us over the years, and we just want to thank them for everything they've put on this rig. We've got Gen-Ride Off-Road with all their aluminum bumpers and tube fenders and rock sliders. Warren Winch steps up every year, gives us a good quality winch. BFG, some 37-inch KM3 tires, Raceline wheels.
And you've been working with a lot of these companies for many years. Cal4Wheel has, right?
Cal4Wheel has. A lot of these companies have already helped them over the years. These same companies that we use in all of our day-to-day builds.
You guys see some Curry stuff down there? Or
yeah, Rock Jock suspension with their suspension and steering, coupled with some Bilstein 8100 series shocks. Reed Racing, their heavy-duty knuckles, and the ball joint delete kits, rugged radios, put a radio in it. So back here, we've got the CVT pop-up roof tent. Makes nice for camping.
You built this rack though,
yeah,
right?
So we started putting these in production for the Gladiators. Try to do a universal rack that can support a tent and also easy to take down and have just a simple bed rack for day-to-day use.
So I remember that, like just before the shoot, you realized that the tent was too long for the bed of a Gladiator, and it's like, who makes it? Nobody makes what?
Yeah.
Okay, so you just made one.
We made one to fit, yeah. Let it extend. We didn't want it hanging out the back.
I like how you got the spare tire rack back here.
Yeah, and then we mounted a power tank on the other side, air up tires.
And this is all Gen-Ride stuff all the way around,
Gen-Ride
right?
aluminum, saving some weight, making it look good.
And the rock sliders?
And the rock sliders are Gen-Ride as well. Line-X of Rancho Cordova, put some Line-X on there for us. Sierra gear and axle, we put 488 gears in it.
The ring and pinion service, Sierra gear and axle down to Rancho Cordova.
Yeah, and JE reel drive lines. So it's ready to hit the trails.
Yeah. Well, when we went up to Loon to shoot it, I was like, man, I'm always envious of the Jeep. Unfortunately, I did not win it.
I didn't either.
And you didn't win it either. They might have suspected a little bit. It's funny business if you won it. Nice.
Big thank you to all the supporters, all the people that bought tickets for this thing throughout the year. All that money goes into Cal4Wheel and helps keep our trails open with land use.
I don't know if you can see that in the background, but there's a red Gladiator over there.
It's hidden, but next year.
That's next year.
Yeah.
Love the Cal4Wheel Jeep. Yeah, I love everything that you do. I mean, you volunteered all your time to do this, correct?
Yeah, and for us, it's a chance to give back to Cal4Wheel.
Yeah, it's nice to see so many, so many companies in the aftermarket side, supporting just land use through this kind of project. So yeah.
Thank you, Chris.
Fantastic. All right.
Oh,
excellent.
Help.
Always good working with you, Ben.